All right, let's talk about the hidden engine behind, well, pretty much everything you do online. I'm talking about what powers your entertainment, your shopping, even your social life. Let's jump right in. Okay, so you've just finished a series on Netflix, right? And bam, the next perfect show is just there. It's like it read your mind. But how does it actually know what you want to watch? Or what about this? You hop on Amazon to buy, I don't know, batteries, and suddenly your cart is full of stuff you never knew you needed, but now you absolutely can't live without. So, what's the secret sauce there? It really does feel like magic, like some kind of digital mind reader is at work. But, spoiler alert, it's not magic. It's something way more powerful. The force behind all of this? It's artificial intelligence, AI. It's the engine that powers all these incredibly personal, predictive experiences. It's literally woven into the fabric of our digital lives. So, let's break down exactly how it all works.
Okay, first up, let's talk about personalization. We're going to look at how AI basically becomes your own personal curator, learning what you like to completely tailor your digital world.
So, a good way to think about this is like a super smart personal assistant. Take Netflix. It's not just a giant library of shows, right? Its AI is constantly analyzing what you watch, what you skip, even what you pause on, all to keep you hooked. And Amazon, it's the same deal with those product recommendations we all know, but it goes even deeper than that. Amazon's AI is also forecasting demand. It's predicting what you're gonna want to buy, and then making sure that product is already in a warehouse close to you before you even think about clicking Add to Cart. Wild, right? But here's the thing. AI doesn't just learn from what you've done in the past. Its real superpower is predicting the future. And this is where it gets really, really cool. Just think about Google. You type in like half a sentence, and it just knows what you're looking for. That's AI predicting your intent, not just matching keywords. It honestly feels psychic sometimes. And then you've got Tesla. Its AI is literally predicting the future, just a few milliseconds at a time. It's analyzing lanes, other cars, people, everything, to make these insane split-second decisions that keep you safe on the road. Okay, so AI can personalize and it can predict. But now it's also changing the game for content itself. I mean, both in how we see it and in how it gets made in the first place. Your social media feed is the perfect example here. Meta's AI curates pretty much everything you see on Facebook or Instagram. It tracks what you like, what you share, and uses that to build a feed just for you. And of course, to serve you super targeted ads. That's what we call content curation. But then you have this giant leap forward with companies like OpenAI. Their generative AI, think ChatGPT, doesn't just organize information, it creates it. Brand new text, code, you name it. This is the huge shift from just managing content to actually generating it from nothing. So we've just looked at a bunch of different companies and some seriously powerful AI applications. On the surface, they all seem pretty different, right? But if you look a little closer, you'll find they're all following the exact same secret blueprint. And here it is. This is the blueprint. It all starts with one thing: data. We're talking your clicks, your views, your searches, all that stuff. Next, a machine learning model, which is really just a fancy system trained on all that data, starts to find the patterns. Step 3, that model makes a prediction about what you're going to do next. And finally, that prediction leads to a business impact. Think more sales for Amazon, you staying on Netflix longer, or a safer drive in a Tesla. Data, model, prediction, impact. That's the loop. Every single company we talked about uses this exact same process. The absolute easiest way to think about all this is the smart assistant analogy. The AI is basically like a personal assistant that's constantly learning from your behavior. It predicts what you want before you even know you want it, and it's always using that info to make your experience better. And the crazy part is, it's an assistant that gets smarter with every single click you make. Okay, so here's a super practical takeaway for you. If you're ever in a job interview and someone asks you for real-world examples of AI, this is your golden ticket. Giving an answer like this is a perfect, concise way to show you get it. You understand exactly how the biggest players in tech are using AI right now. So when you think about it, from your Netflix queue to your daily commute, AI is already this invisible co-pilot in your life. We've seen how today's biggest companies are using it to shape our world. The real question, though, is what's next? And more importantly, what will you ask it to do? Thanks so much for tuning in.